Hello friends, welcome to Indus Vlog. Today's video is about my visit to Thiruvillamala in Kerala. Thiruvillamala is a beautiful place to visit. This hilly village is located in Thrissur district of Kerala on the banks of Bharatapuzha river. In this video, I am talking about the important religious places I visited with my family. Our first visit in Thiruvillamala was to Villadrinatha temple, located on a hillock about 100 feet above sea level. The main deities of this beautiful temple are Lord Sri Rama and his brother Lord Lakshmana. It is believed that this ancient temple was built by Parashuram, the sixth avatar of Lord Mahavishnu. This temple is also known as Sri Rama Temple and it is one of the four Sri Rama temples of Kerala. The other deities of this temple are Hanuman, Mahaganapati, Ayyappa, Shiva and Parvati. There are more than 50 steps to reach this temple. The temple has no flag post. Bharatapuzha is flowing 3 kilometers away from this temple. You can see many trees on the surroundings of this temple. At the bottom of the West Nada, Saraswati Kund with the presence of goddess Saraswati is there. Near this temple, there is a popular religious place called Punarjani Cave. Passing through this cave, which is 15-meter long, is considered good to get salvation from all sins and only men are allowed to pass through this tunnel. This strenuous ritual is done only on Guruvayur Ekadashi day. We did not visit here. The distance from Villadrinatha temple to Thrissur is about 50 kilometers and 35 kilometers from Palakkad. Our next visit was to Thiruvillamala Parakottu Kavu Devi temple, which is 400 meters away. The next day we visited Ivarmadam Parthasarathi temple, which is located in Pampadi village on the southern bank of Bharatapuzha. The riverside near this temple is famous for performing rituals for dead ancestors. People come from all over the country to Ivarmadam Sri Krishna temple and do the last rites and Bali Tarpanam to those departed souls dear to them. It is believed that the Pandavas, after Kurukshetra war, went to several places to perform the last rites for their ancestors, but they never got peace there. Finally, they reached here and performed the rituals for the departed souls in the war and found peace. Since Panchavandavas made this temple to do the last rites for their departed ones and stayed there, this temple got the name Ivarmadam. Hence, this holy place is very famous and visited by many. Before our visit, we had booked our accommodation in a homestay in Thiruvillamala after getting a reference from a friend. We stayed in Anamala Homestay, which was a traditional ancestral home converted into a homestay. It was a beautiful place just to enjoy the serene beauty of the village and was also centrally located. It also had all the necessary modern facilities. Not only our stay, even the food was also wonderful. Each day the menu was prepared as per our requirement. We really enjoyed our stay there. Staying there, we also visited several other places in and around Thiruvillamala, which will be explained in our next video. Thank you for watching.